The world changes really fast. Humans don't. We are changing, just really slowly. But scientists might be about to change that with gene editing. What is gene editing? Well, let's start with the basics. This is DNA. It's like the instruction manual for all plants and animals. It is made up of 4 letters, A, T, G, and C. The sequence of these letters tells the body how to live, grow, and reproduce, and determines characteristics like height and hair color. It's basically the programming language of every living thing. But DNA is not perfect. Any error in the sequence of A's, T's, G's, and C's can have serious effects on our health. These errors are called mutations and can be inherited from our parents or can occur over the course of our lives. For example, a bad sunburn can mutate your DNA to cause skin cancer. Let's look at another example. This is a perfectly normal stretch of DNA, and this is a DNA sequence with a mutation causing cystic fibrosis. Can you spot the difference? That's right, one letter can be a matter of life or death. This is where gene editing comes in. Scientists can use a tool called CRISPR-Cas9, which is basically cut and paste for genes. Just like that, we can replace faulty genes with healthy ones or modify them to behave differently. From HIV to cancer, this technology is on the front lines fighting otherwise incurable diseases. But the possibilities don't stop there. Gene editing could be used in plants to make crops more resilient and in animals to prevent them from carrying diseases like malaria. So gene editing has the potential to change the world, if we let it. There are lots of concerns about gene editing, and for good reason. CRISPR-Cas9 gives us the ability to edit the DNA of embryos, inducing genetic changes that would persist in DNA for future generations. It could also be used to edit characteristics that have no impact on health, like height or eye color. Picture a world where before having a baby, you can select for a particular sex, better athletic abilities, higher intelligence, or extroverted personalities. It brings about the question, should we be allowed to design our babies? And if so, who will get to do it? High prices for gene editing could worsen health inequalities and drive discrimination against people with undesirable characteristics. This might sound like a far-fetched Black Mirror episode, but this technology is already here and ready to go. For better or worse, gene editing is going to change the world. Now, we just need to decide, how are we going to use it?